Today we're here with Q and we're gonna check out his Maserati GranTurismo.
All right, we're looking at a 2017 Maserati GranTurismo Sport. Did quite a few things. It's not your average stock looking car. Sorry for the purists out there. I know that Maserati is big in a lot of people's hearts as far as keeping it the way it is and preserving it. But I wanted to keep my signature on there and customize it. This is what we do as car guys. Make it unique to yourself. Anybody that sees this car, even if I'm not in it, they'll know, hey, this is Q's car, just cause how I have it customized, such as, boom, the wheels. I powder coated them recently. These are stance wheels. They are forged. It comes as one piece and then it is cut. So it's lighter wheel, it's stronger than a stock wheel. It's a lot lighter, like I can literally lift it like this. That makes the car actually lighter, so it means faster. We got the 20-inch wheels on there, gold, and then I put my little decal on here.
That's awesome. Yeah,
this is customized. I went to literally a sign shop. I told them, hey, I don't know the measurements, come outside, measure what I want covered on the car, and I got this as an inspiration from the actual racing cars. So it was kind of a livery, you know, kind of thing.
Yep.
The color stock, I usually have it wrapped. Every year I change the color of it. Key to you guys, when you wrap a car, every year if you change the color of the car, it'll feel like a brand new car driving it. Just saying. I had this car for 5 years, still not sick of it. The hood is custom made. Usually it comes flat, no vents in there. I got a carbon fiber custom made with the vents, and then I had it painted after a year, just because the fading of the carbon fiber. And as you can see, I mean, I tinted the windshield and the all around. In Ann Arbor, we could tint windows, so anybody in the comments, you could tint windows in Ann Arbor. You're not gonna get pulled over for that. The side skirts and the fenders are the MC inspired, they're not MC. So the Maserati GranTurismo comes in 3 different types. The Maserati GranTurismo Base, Maserati GranTurismo Sport, and the Maserati GranTurismo MC. The MC is like all the bells and whistles with the body kit and whatnot. So I ended up getting the body kit with the fender and the vent in the fender, and then the side skirts to match that.
Looks really good.
Thank you. You know, the rear, I didn't do much on the rear. The tail lights came tinted when I first bought the car from Florida 5 years ago. The license plate lavish, that's my Instagram, living lavish. It's a whole concept around that. As far as that goes, let's look in the engine bay. I did one thing or a couple things on there that I want to show you guys.
Yeah, what's under the hood in this thing?
Yep.
Let's check that out.
As far as the engine goes, this is a 4.7 naturally aspirated V8 engine. This is off the Ferrari big block engine, 430 engine. So those that say, hey, this is a Chrysler car, no, not the GranTurismo. This is made in the Ferrari factory. So with that being said, the airbox completely deleted. I added a dual intake. This goes this dual intake only works on the Corvette. I somehow managed to put it on there.
Dang, it's huge.
Yeah, I put semi-truck cold air intake. So
oh man,
yeah, it
that's
works
awesome.
out. Yep. It gets you know, it's 500 horses. 500 horses is more than enough to get by as far as in Michigan. I get to, you know, drive this every day as a daily. I put over 45,000 miles on it and still not sick of it.
So you daily this car?
I daily it to work, to the car meets, to everything, because I don't want to switch cars. I don't want to be driving something and I'm not in love with it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, so, that's awesome. So yeah. About 500 horsepower. 500
horses, yep.
Do you know about how much it weighs?
It's pretty heavy. It's a grand touring car, and it's comfortable drive, so it's like 3,300 pounds.
Okay. Do you know times what it would do, like 0 to 60?
0 to 60, I got it down packed to 4.2.
Dang, that's awesome.
Yeah, I mean, it keeps up. Obviously, there's cars, there's 3-second cars, there's 4-second cars. There's 4.2, and I'm fine with that. More than that, I don't want to be fishtailing, you know?
Yeah, no, that's plenty. That's fast. Yeah. Tell me about the interior. What are we looking at inside?
The interior, let's open the door here. So we have, first things first is the steering wheel. I don't know if you want a POV of the steering wheel. Go ahead and sit in there, Nick.
All right, let's check it out. What do we got in here?
So the steering wheel is all custom made down to the thread. Blue threading with the blue line in the middle, down the middle. This was all leather. I got the Alcantara with the silver carbon fiber to match the interior. No car has this. I'll tell you, this is one of one for sure.
Wow, that's awesome.
The radio in there, I kind of just threw in an iPad, 10-inch iPad in there, just because I want to have the freedom of updating my car. I mean, they don't come updated with the new radio. They don't come updated with the Google Maps or Apple Play. So added that in there. I love the interior, but it's a blessing and a curse at the same time because you always have to clean it.
Yeah.
It's white, so anything will show in there, especially jeans, you know?
Oh, yeah.
So I constantly have to clean it, but it is like a, it's a very, very beautiful shade of white. So,
Okay.
yeah.
So as far as the exhaust goes, because I heard your car off camera, and
Yes.
it's insane. So is the exhaust stock?
Exhaust is stock, except I got an X pipe on there. So I removed the what do you call it? The middle of it, where the X pipe goes. I forget, but I got an X pipe on there, so it's semi like as far as the exhaust delete, but it's not straight pipe. When you press the sport mode button, it opens up the valves, so that's why it's a little louder. When you heard me driving, it was on sport mode. If I put it on comfort mode, it closes up, it quiets down a little.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That's sweet. It sounds awesome.
Yep.
All right, well, let's take it for a spin.
Let's go. Go ahead, hop in the passenger seat, man.
All right. That sounds so good.
Yeah, when you're driving, it actually sounds like louder.
That is awesome. It sounds so good.
And that downshifting.
Oh, man. Oh, that's a thrill.
Yeah,
that's awesome. And it's naturally aspirated, so you got the power right there.
Right there, yeah.
And it probably just keeps pulling for a while if it's 500 horse.
Yeah, yeah. And like if you want to put it in fully manual where you shift it. Yeah, that. So I have fun with it, bro. You have like, you're having a long day, you just go out for a drive, bro, and you just like, you feel the thrill, you know? And then like if I put it in, I can get it out of sport mode. Look how quiet it is, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
So,
it's crazy.
That's perfect for a daily driver.
I'm telling you, bro.
You like let it loose and it sounds like a monster,
Yeah.
and then in comfort mode,
Look.
it's like you can't even hear it right now. Just you're cruising.
I'm going 45. I should be able to hear it, but no. And
Oh my
it
gosh.
shifts a lot more comfortable too. It's the best of both worlds.
It feels
bro.
really responsive. I can tell, like when you're slapping the shifter, it's
the
like right
shifter.
there.
The top speed I've had is 165.
165?
Yeah. And it was smooth as butter, bro.
Dang.
I was scared to go faster because the windshield was full of bugs. I couldn't even see.
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
it was down south.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Gear 1 is my favorite gear because look how jumpy it is, you know? We hit 90 right there.
Oh my gosh.
Let's turn around real quick. I don't know why
Right.
I've turned into the sheriff's office for some reason.
Oh, you did? Is that where we are?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's hilarious.
Are you going to leave it the way it is now, or are you going to take it performance-wise?
I think I'm gonna leave it the way it is.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just gonna be like probably just cosmetic changes, but other than that, I think it's performance-wise, it does what I want it to do.
Sure.
Like I don't take it to a track, I don't drag race, I don't do any of that.
Yeah.
You know, it does what I want it to do, and I think when something isn't broke, don't fix it. You know.
Right. That steering wheel was a good choice to put
Yeah,
in there
man,
too.
it's comfortable too. I put the flat thing on there, so it's like I could have some clearance. I'm a tall guy, so
Yeah.
you know, to be honest with you, when you're over to be 5'8", a lot of these cars start being small. I had a 350Z and I just outgrew it.
Yeah.
I love 350Zs though, but you just outgrow them, you know. Even with this car, like it's a sports car, but it's luxury first.
Yep.
So I'm 6 foot, and it fits me fine. Like I'm completely comfortable.
I'm short, so I'm comfortable.
You know, and they make these sports cars, especially the Italian ones, for short Italian men. You know, so the Americans, when they actually get inside them, it's kind of like a Lambo. Like I went to a Lamborghini dealership. I wanted, you know, when I was younger, 21, I was like, I want to see what it's like to actually sit in one.
Yep.
The first thing that happened to me when I was sitting in it, my head was hitting the top of it, and I was like, dang. But I got in the small one. Like I think it was the Huracan. The Huracan is very, very low.
Yeah. Yeah.
This one is it's higher than most.
Yeah.
They get bad reps. I don't know why, online, especially on YouTube.
Oh,
Like
yeah?
Doug DeMero, I watched his YouTube channel about this car,
This?
Oh yeah.
and his rating was pretty bad. It was like a 6 out of 10
The grill looks like a fish.
Really?
overall. Yeah, I think this one is a solid 8.5 out of 10.
Okay. Okay.
I want to say the 458 is a 10 out of 10.
This?
458 is bigger than this because there's no back seat, so you get more legroom. And it has a great engine, and yeah, man.